front end starting to come together. Still have a bunch of wiring and stuff to do up in the front, so I left the shocks out of it and whatnot. But got the new CT Raceworks lower control arms on, so we should have some extra clearance, which would be awesome. Dash is in, but still have to make all the cutouts and stuff, so that's what all the paper and tape is for, is kind of, you know, just for placeholders and mock-up. Working on the wiring today, which should be a lot of fun. Let my OCD go crazy and stuff. The exhaust is in, oil cooler is in, just have to wire it. In the fire suppression system, talked to the company the other day, and it is got a green light, so we're gonna send stuff back so they can have everything custom made, and we should be rocking and rolling. So things are coming along. It's definitely taken a heck of a lot longer than I ever thought it would, but it's gonna be super awesome once it's done. It's gonna be well worth it. So definitely excited. Really taking my time to try to do everything right and try to think of everything, and, you know, just really dot all my I's and cross all my T's. So